Delegolords took great care into analyzing this year's Animal Allies Challenge.
Our team began by examining various issues regarding the endangered species list.
One thing that stood out to us was that the entire species of bees was added to this list for the first time. The significant reason for the addition of bees to this list was due to colony collapse disorder, or CCD.
CCD occurs when worker and nurse bees leave the hive, which results in no protection of the hive.
If CCD was allowed to continue, the hives would be destroyed at such a rate that would cause the extinction of the human race within 4 years.
Poisonous neonicotinoids are used in pesticides that are harmful to bees. Parasites such as the varroa mite cause habitat loss by latching onto the bees while they are collecting pollen, sucking on their hemolymph or bee blood, and attack their immune system by infecting them with a deadly virus that leaves the bee paralyzed.
During the hot summer months, beekeepers remove the outer cover of the hive with popsicle sticks, which forms an opening that enables cold air to ventilate throughout the hive.
However, this gap allows another parasite called the wax moth to enter the hive and lay its eggs inside the honeycombs.
Because of this, there's less space for the bees to store their honey, and as a further difficulty, the larval stage of the wax moth burrows into the honeycomb, essentially destroying the framework of the hive. Our innovative solution to the dilemma of the wax moth is to cure the problem at its source, which is the non-existence of proper ventilation within the hive.
Our revolutionary product, called the CentriHive, is an automated self-cooling system that warrants the proper ventilation of cold air throughout the summer months.
We accomplished this by implementing a centrifugal fan into our product that is powered by an Arduino Raspberry Pi.
When the temperature inside the hive rises beyond the optimal living temperature for bees, the Raspberry Pi senses this change with the temperature and humidity sensor, which is monitored by the TI sensor tag. It is this instrument that reports the anomaly to the beekeeper's phone and instructs the Raspberry Pi to turn on the centrifugal fan to cool down the hive.
Once the Raspberry Pi has detected that the temperature inside the hive has reduced to a comfortable setting, the beekeeper gets another alert and the centrifugal fan turns off.
The beekeeper does not have to constantly visit the hive to make adjustments to the temperature by opening up the top at various increments.
Therefore, wax moths are prevented from entering the hive due to the fact that it is no longer required for beekeepers to prop open the top, blocking wax moths from entering.